Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, power off your computer and the second monitor before connecting anything. Confirm the monitor has a compatible input such as HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA. Inspect the cable for bent pins or damage and use one under 5 meters when possible. Verify your PC has a free output on the GPU or motherboard rear I/O. If using a docking station, ensure it supplies video and supports 2 displays. Keep the monitor manual and any adapter handy for quick reference. Plug the monitor into an HDMI or DisplayPort output on your computer and then power it on. Boot your PC and wait for the system to detect the new display automatically. Open display settings on Windows or System Preferences on Mac OS to arrange the monitors visually. Choose Extend, Duplicate, or Second only depending on your workflow. Select the monitor and set its native resolution. For example, 1920 by 1080 or 2560 by 1440. If the monitor is not detected, update the GPU driver and any monitor firmware available. Try a different cable and an alternate port, such as swapping HDMI for DisplayPort, to isolate the issue. Reboot the computer after changing ports or drivers to clear detection errors. For flicker or resolution problems, adjust refresh rate to the monitor spec, for example 60Hz or 75Hz. Finally, calibrate color and brightness, using built-in tools or a calibration device for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.